Hello friends, welcome to the channel Dream Job. I hope all are doing well. So today I come up with a very big update that is from Mindtree company, which is going to hire freshers for 2021 pass out. So it's a great opportunity for the freshers who are getting pass out in the year 2021. So don't miss this opportunity. Now we will see the job description. Here in the Mindtree company, for software engineer role, they will give as a C1 role position name. So it's a similar like software engineer. You can see about the Mindtree company. It's a learning digital transformation partner with the history of over 2 decades. So it's a very big MNC company. So don't miss this opportunity. I will provide this PDF in the description box. You can check it out over there. Company has mentioned that what the qualities or characters they are looking for the freshers of 2021 pass out. They have given that you should be curious about the things, and also you should have the courage to solve the problems and find solutions, and you should be a responsible persons. You can add these points in your self introduction in a technical and also in HR round, so that your chances of getting hired will be higher and you can impress the interviewer very soon. Now we will see the further details that is provided by the company. Here they have given that salary package will be 4 LPA. Starting there will be a 3 months of training. In the training period you will get 26,000 per month as a stipend. So after 3 months training you will be getting 4 lakhs per annum like salary. So it's a great opportunity, don't miss this opportunity. There is no service bond for this company. They have also speak about the promotions and increments in the salary. It will be in line with the HR policy. They have some policies, according to that policies they will increment your salary and also do the promotion based on your performance in the company. So it is a great opportunity, don't miss this opportunity, apply as soon as possible. You can go through this PDF. I will provide in the description box, or you can comment below. I will provide you the link to access this PDF. Here BE BTech graduates are eligible for this job, and the percentage they given is 60% and above, and also in CGPA 6.0 CGPA is considered, and above that is also considered, not below that 6.0. So keep this in mind and apply. 10th 12th they have also asked for 60% and also if you have CGPA system then 6.0 per CGPA. There should be no backlogs at the time of applying or at the time of onboarding process. You have to clear all the back papers, and also there should be no education break or gap between the engineering. You should complete the engineering in 4 years. You should not have any break in between. IT eligible stream they have given as information science, computer science, and also for circuit stream they have given electronics and communication, electrical engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, thermo information engineering, electrical telecommunication engineering. They have given everything. You can check it out. I will provide the PDF. After shortlisting of your resume, they will send mail to the shortlisted student for the test link. After first there will be aptitude, logical and verbal test. After clearing these 3 rounds, you will be qualified for the coding test. Coding and first test will happen in same day. After some days, you will get the mail for a technical interview. If you qualify this exam, you will get the mail for technical interview. After clearing technical interview, last will be HR interview, and you will be finally onboarded to the company. So this is a great opportunity. Don't miss this opportunity. And they also given their learning process, how they will make students learn the things, new technologies, everything they are given. Pre-joining the language learning, yeah, and also learning program, post joining learning program they also given, how they will conduct and all, and it will be going to be a virtual. You should be ready to work from home. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you really like this video, please subscribe the channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.